Court does call the case of, is that it for Mr. McSunton? Court calls the case of Patrick Tortora versus Martin Yance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the court, Eric Ladavsky, 65354 on behalf of plaintiff.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Darwin Fair on behalf of the Yances.
All right, where are we now on this one, folks?
Your Honor, to refresh your memory, I filed the motion, which was first heard on October 11th of this year. And of that morning of that date, Mr. Fair had filed a motion in the circuit court. And so this court adjourned it to November 1st. The motion was not heard yet. Now, the motions that were in front of Judge Jewell in the Wayne County Circuit Court have been disposed of. And there is now in this court for this specific property, the circuit court action in Washington County Court has been dismissed. Mr. Fair appealed. That appeal has been dismissed as well.
Is that correct?
No.
Here we go. Okay, what's not correct about it?
Judge,
I guess counsel's indicating to me there's nothing else pending except.
Judge, I filed my motion in front of the Wayne County Circuit Court judge that you were aware of that occurred the last time we were in court. There's been no change in that case today. No change. It is still before the judge.
Right, correct.
The Register of Actions had the hearing on both motions in front of Judge Jewell. There was nothing pending. There's no pending motions in front of Judge Jewell right now. I had the Register of Actions.
But does it say something about what happened with the motions? Or
I filed the motion for enforcing the judgment that was dismissed. Mr. Fair filed the motion to enforce the settlement agreement as well. And I do have the order if Your Honor would like to see it. And in that order, it sent us back to Judge Hattie.
Sent you back to who?
Judge Hattie as a mediator, which has been unsuccessful.
So there hasn't been so there actually hasn't been disposed of.
No, it has not been disposed of, Judge.
But there's no pending motion either.
Yes, there is a pending motion because it's before Judge Hattie. And Judge Hattie hasn't concluded.
Let's quit playing semantics with this. Is there still a court proceeding going on?
Yes.
The court needs to enter a dismissal in Wayne County. There is no pending motion. The court indicates the case is closed, but there has not been a final order because the dismissal has not been signed yet.
No, Judge, that's not true. I filed my motion to reopen the case and to have the case remanded to Judge Hattie for mediation. That's where the case is right now. It's before Judge Hattie, who then, if and when he finishes his mediation, will do a final order to the circuit court judge, which has not occurred yet.
That's what it sounds like to me. Right, counsel?
That
was a question.
I didn't understand your question.
The order sent it back to the mediator that somehow either is going to give some recommendation or something to the Wayne County judge by which an order will then happen.
No, Your Honor, the mediator's been unsuccessful. There's no order that orders the mediator to submit an order. Which is what Mr.
That doesn't make any sense, counsel. And I'll tell you, I'm getting a little bit tired right now and I don't want to play semantic games here. There is no motion pending. I get that. Part of the disposition, or at least temporary disposition of that motion, was it sent it to a mediator, Judge Hattie, right?
Correct.
Judge Hattie, while you may look at mediation as having been unsuccessful, has mediation concluded?
Yes. We're
No, it has not concluded.
how do two people share a case and have no idea what's actually procedurally happening? Is there another date that's set before Judge Hattie?
No.
Mr. Fair?
He is waiting to see if we can settle so that he can do a final.
Okay, look, you know what, guys? Every time you come here, everybody just starts saying the sky's blue. The other one says it's orange. The other one's, and I'm getting sick and tired of it. I don't think that the questions I'm asking, where the posture or procedure is in a case, is a very difficult thing for counsel to ever agree on. But for whatever reason, you guys can't. I think you're being disingenuous, counsel, when you tell me that there's nothing pending. I asked you if there's anything pending. You're telling me there's no motion. That wasn't my question. Then, when I'm asking, is mediation been concluded? You're telling me yes, but there's no order concluding it, but the judge sent it to mediation. So here's what's going to happen. So what's going to happen is I'm going to adjourn this matter, what is it, January 10th?
Yes, sir.
January 10th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Realize that he is retired now, but I need a letter or communication from Judge Hattie as to the status of mediation.
Thanks, Your Honor.
If I don't get that, just don't even bother showing up, either one of you.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Town Center Place versus Jacqueline King. Patterson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Toy Dennis on behalf of Ms. King.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jackie Snyder Powder on behalf of Mark Wasbury.
Oh,
Your
this is a baby.
This is my new one.
That's your new one?
Yeah.
How old?
He is only 3 months old. And I apologize, Your Honor. My husband's getting our other son off the bus. So
No, you do not have to apologize if you bring a baby. And you win. Okay.
thank you.
Thanks, Miss Dennis. No.
well,
Amazing.
I think we do win, Your Honor, because we can make this quick.
Okay.
As far as I know, Mr. Wasbury agreed to a 10-day adjournment. We're still exchanging information.
So
He
you're just
provided
looking
me
for a new
some-
date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Will the 27th work?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll adjourn
Yeah.
this matter
Yes,
December
sir.
27th, 2024 at 1 p.m. and make a special note. They need to bring the baby. All right.
Okay, I will.
All right.
Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
guys. Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you, Your
weekend.
Honor. You too.
You too. Happy holiday.
Thank
Yes,
you.
and to you.